Hello students, today we have to discuss the topic circles of coordinate geometry. So first of all, we have to define a circle. What is the circle? Circle को अगर हम define करें तो it is the locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point is always constant. This fixed point is called the center of the circle, and locus of any point means that point will be on the circumference. Suppose it is the point P, then the path traversed by this point P is a circle. So it means the circle is the locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point is always constant, and that constant distance is known as the radius. So here O is the fixed point and P is a variable point. P is moving. तो इसकी जो definition होगी that will be circle is the locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point always remains constant. Always remains constant. So here the fixed point is known as the center of the circle. Fixed point is center, which is represented by O. Now there are some standard equations from circles. Standard equations of circles. First of them is equation of a circle whose center is at origin, means whose center has coordinates 0, 0 and radius small a. So its equation will be given by x square plus y square is equal to a square. Diagram में इसको देख सकते हैं. In diagram the circle is represented like this. It is the x-axis. It is the y-axis, and center of the circle is at the origin, that is 0, 0. Now, अगर हमें इसका proof करना है, that equation is this. So let take any point P, HK on the circumference and draw the perpendiculars. This point ON, P to N. N is the foot of perpendicular. ON will be equal to H. It will be K, and it is the radius. Now in triangle OPN we can use the Pythagoras theorem, and this equation you will get. So its proof is very simple. In triangle ONP, using Pythagoras theorem, H square plus K square is equal to a square. Now we have to change this HK in current coordinates. Current coordinates are known as x and y. So that is why they will be x square plus y square is equal to a square, which is the equation of a circle having center at the origin and radius a. So it is the first type of equation. After that there is second type. Equation of a circle whose center is alpha beta and whose radius is r. So here the center is alpha beta. It means we can represent this circle like this, and coordinate axes are like this. In this case, center is not at the origin. This center is given as alpha beta. Take any point on the circle P and let it is xy, join O to P, and it is the radius. Now its equation is x minus alpha whole square y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. Equation of a circle whose center is alpha beta, different from origin, and radius is small r. Its proof is also given similarly. You have to use distance formula between the O and P. Proof is very simple. One line proof is there. Use distance formula. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, and put the values. X minus alpha, d is r. So that will come out x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square. It is the proof of this equation. Now the third equation is there. Generally it will be used when there is a description of any such type of circle which is passing through the 3 points. अगर 3 points से जाने वाला कोई सर्किल होगा उसमें यहाँ पे इसका यूज करेंगे. इक्वेशन ऑफ अ सर्कल passing through 3 points, and its equation is given as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Its center will be given by the coordinates minus g minus f, and its radius will be given by r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Proof will be on the next page. In order to prove this equation, we have to take the equation itself. इसमें हम equation को ले लेंगे, उसका center और radius को show कर देंगे that it must be minus g minus f. So the given equation was x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to make this equation in form of a whole square. For this you have to take the terms of gx at one place and terms of y at one place. So it will come out x square plus 2gx. Similarly, y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now, in order to make this first term as whole square, we have to add 1g square here. Similarly, 1f square here, and that must be added on both sides. So here it will be also g square plus f square. Now it is the whole square of x plus g. Similarly, second term is whole square of y plus f, and RHS, this constant will go on RHS, and it will come out g square plus f square minus c. Now, more beautifully we can write it x minus g whole square plus y minus f whole square is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c whole square. Now compare this with the previous equation, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square. So we can see that alpha is minus g, beta is minus f. It means its center will be given as minus g minus f and its radius will be given by under root g square plus f square minus c. So it is the proof for center and radius of a circle passing through the 3 points. Now one more equation is there, as we have studied in the pair of straight lines that there was a general equation of second degree. So general equation, very important topic for competitions. General equation of second degree will represent a circle if the first condition is that a is equal to b, a and b are what, इसका मैं इक्वेशन लिख देता हूं, शायद आप भूल भी गए हो, a x स्क्वायर प्लस 2hxy प्लस by स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. It was the general equation of second degree as we have discussed in the previous video of pairs of straight lines, and this equation will represent a circle if the coefficients of x square and y square are same. They must be equal, and the second condition is that coefficient of xy which is h, that must be equal to 0. So it is the condition. After that, one more point is there, property of a circle passing through origin. Property of a circle passing through origin is that constant term must be 0. Constant term c in the above equations must be 0. Now the sixth point is we have to calculate the equation of a circle if the end coordinates of diameter are given. Suppose we have a circle, it is a diameter AB and its coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now take any point on the circumference and join this point through A and B. Now since AB is diameter, so it is the angle of a semicircle and all the angles of semicircle is 90 degree. Semicircle में जो भी angle होता है on circumference, that is always 90 degree. Now इसका equation जो होगा that will be x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 y minus y2 is equal to 0. Very important equation for competitions. Now in order to prove that, let the slope of the line AP is m1 and slope of line PB is m2. We know that the two lines are perpendicular when the product of their slopes is -1. So same fundamental will be used here to prove the equation. So find out the slopes of AP and PB by the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So for that purpose, let m1 is slope of this line. Let the point P is x comma y. So its slope will be equal to y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Similarly, the slope of the line PB, that will be the m2. M2 is equal to y minus y2 upon x minus x2. Now put both of these values in this formula for perpendicularity of two straight lines. m1 m2 is minus 1. So m1 is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 and m2 is y minus y2 upon x minus x2, and that will be equal to minus 1. Now by cross multiplying we will get our result. So cross multiply it, y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to minus x minus x1, x minus x2. Now take this term on left hand side. So x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to 0. It is the equation of circle that whose end coordinates of diameter are known. That is a very important equation for competitive exams. Now one more formula is there, and that is the parametric equation of a circle. Parametric equation of a circle. Parameters are represented by theta, m, t and phi. In the language of mathematics, these variables are known as the parameters. So here we have to write the equation in parametric form. Parametric equation of a circle. Parametric equation of a circle is given by x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, where a is radius of circle. Very important formula. अब ये सर्किल का ही फार्मूला क्यों है, इसको अगर हमें प्रूफ करना है तो फॉर दैट पर्पस यू हैव टू होल स्क्वायर all of these two results and add them. So x square plus y square is equal to a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Taking a square common, it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. So x square plus y square is equal to a square. It is the parameter, it is the equation of a circle as we have discussed in the first point. So x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta represents a circle in parametric form. अब यहाँ पे इक्वेशन के कुछ क्वेश्चंस को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे उसके लिए भी कुछ टिप्स हैं. पहला तो ये कि अगर हमें वी हैव टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन फॉर इक्वेशन फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ सेंटर एंड रेडियस. अगर सेंटर और रेडियस के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें पता होंगे तो वी कैन यूज एनी ऑफ द अबव इक्वेशंस. नंबर सेकंड, for 3 points, if the 3 points are given, you have to use the formula x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is 0. And the third point is this, that if any equation is given like this, 7x square plus 7y square minus 3x plus 4y plus 2 is 0, it means it is the above form. So in order to compare it with the general equation, सबसे पहले you have to make the coefficient of x square and y square unity. जब तक इनका कोफिशिएंट यूनिटी नहीं होगा तब तक हम आगे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. तो फॉर दैट पर्पस यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 7 ऑल द टर्म्स. सो दैट विल कम आउट x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 3 अपॉन 7x प्लस 4 अपॉन 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. After this process, we will solve the questions. Now in next video, you will see that how will we find the tangent, equation of normal related to the circle, and also some important questions based on the circles.